Today is day 352 of data science. It is Tuesday, July 5th, 2022. And today I'm thinking of creating an SQL database in the case where I'm at a school, right? And I'm working at the main office and it's the end of the school year and I am in charge of making sure that everybody gets their report cards. And I'm just going to have a database of student names, their phone numbers, and whether or not they picked up their report cards and whether or not they are on vacation. And I think I'm going to do some querying and I'm going to be like, okay, if they are not in vacation and they haven't picked up their report card, then give me the phone numbers of those students and I'm going to do a call home so that they can come and pick it up, because it doesn't really make sense to call home when there's no one there, or at least to call them if they are on vacation to come and pick up their report card. That doesn't make sense. So let's pretend, that students kind of gave us a heads up whether or not they were going to be on vacation. So I'll do that. So I'll do create table report, and I'll give it the column. So the first one is ID. I'm going to say the ID is an integer data type. Then I'm going to say it's a primary key so that SQL knows that it's not just any column, it's the primary key, right? It's the identifier of each row that I'm going to insert. And then I'm going to say auto increment. How do you spell it? Yeah. So that it automatically adds an ID for me and I don't have to do that. Now the first technical column, I'm going to do name. It's going to be data type text. I'm going to do phone number. And this is going to be, I don't know, I think it's going to be text, or is it integer? Do I want it to be integer or text? I don't know, I'm going to do text for now, and then maybe I'll change it later. If they're on vacation, and this is going to be text, and what else do we need? Oh, if they picked up the report card. All right, and this is also going to be text. Okay. So now to insert values into here, I knew I spelled it wrong. Auto increment. Where? Oh, near it. Primary key integer. Primary. Oh, I didn't spell it wrong. I'm sorry. I'm very insecure about my spelling. Okay. Well, technically I was still spelling a word wrong. Primary. Anyway, now to insert into the database report, I'll have to specify the columns that I'm inserting. So I'm going to be inserting these. So I just like to copy and paste to save myself some time. I don't need the data type though, only the columns. Okay, and then I'll do values, and then the following values. So the first one, I'll say like, the first one can be like mayor, the phone number. If it's going to be a text data type, then I'll do like 201, 000, 00. That doesn't make sense. 345 or 346, 8901, and then I'll put an extra number there just in case somebody tries to call these numbers, because I don't want that to happen. Okay, and then what else am I doing? The vacation. So I think I'm going to do either true, so T for true and false for no. So if they're on vacation, and then report card, I'll do the same thing, like T if they picked up the report card, and F if they did not pick up the report card. So what, did I spell it wrong? Report card. Oh, comma. Okay. So now to kind of look at the first row, I'm going to select everything from the report database, and then I should see that at the top, at the bottom right appear. So I have my ID, which automatically does it for me because I said auto increment. I have the name, the phone number, if she's in vacation, and if she picked up her report card. So she's fine. All right, so I'm just going to do a few more. So let's see. Let's do Jack. Let's do Rose. Let's do Maven. And Grayson. So Mayor, blah, blah, blah. Let me just change like a few numbers here. So 4, maybe this one can be 732. This one can be 732 also. And then this one could just say 201 and maybe have who numbers changed. Okay. All right, maybe this one can just be like that. All right. So Jack, let's say he is not on vacation and he has not picked up his report card. Rose is in vacation and has not picked up the report card. Let's see, and let's say Maven is also on vacation and has not picked up the report card. Now let's do maybe one more. Let's do Willow. Change the phone number to be something like that. And let's say she is in vacation and has picked up her report card. I can't even speak. And then let's do one more. Let's do she's not on vacation and has picked up her report card. Let's do one more like this. I'll just put it somewhere here. Change the name to maybe Jaden. And then I don't know what's another name. Andrew. Okay. So okay. So we have here's a database, right? So we have the names of all the students, and then we have their phone numbers. You know what? I think it's better if I just do phone and just change that here for each one because I think it's better, or at least it makes more sense. Okay, so phone if they're on vacation, report card if they picked it up, basically. So now let's do some querying. So let's say, right, I'm the lady at a main office and I want to know who are the students who are not on vacation and who have not picked up their report card, because I want to give them a call home and tell them to, or remind them to come and pick up their report card, because obviously they are able to do so, theoretically, like, you know, hopefully they're not in an emergency situation, but theoretically they're able to do so to come and pick up their report card because they are here, and they're not on vacation. So we'll do that. Well, I could just add it here. So I'll select everything from report, but then I'll do like a conditional statement where vacation is equal to false, so they're not on vacation, and they have not picked up their report card. So the people who are not on vacation and who have not picked up their report card is just actually one person. It's Jack. So I'm going to give a call to Jack's phone number, and I'm going to remind him to come and pick up his report card. I can also, if I don't want his extra information and I just want the phone number, I could do select phone from report, and I think I can do, oh, that sucks. I can't do the phone and name. All right, so it's weird. I do want to be able to select two things, but either way, maybe I don't have to say their names. I'll just be like, just call them, give them a general, cold call to pick up their report card, because they're not on vacation, so they're here, and they haven't picked up their report card. All right, so let's say I want to know the students who are on vacation and who have not picked up the report card. So I'm just going to change vacation equal to true, so T. And so I'll just call these students, and basically, are they the same phone number? Oh my god, that's horrible. How do I change it? Is it Maven? There we go, something like that. All right, so I'll basically give a call to these numbers and just remind them to pick up their report card once they come back from vacation. So that's that for that. And let's say I want to give a reward to those who picked up their report cards, then I can just say, okay, select the names. I'll do the names from report, which is my table, where vacation, it doesn't really matter whether they are on vacation or not. But what matters is if they picked up the report card, so report card is equal to true. So Mayor, Jaden, Grayson, Willow, and Andrew all picked up their report cards, and these are basically the names of the students who I'm going to give a reward to. I don't know what it's going to be, but whatever. And if I want to give them a call, I can just get the phone, And now I can just call all these numbers and inform them that I'm going to give them a reward once they come back the next school year. All right. Let's see, what else do I want to do? I could also select, I can't really do any aggregating functions because there's no numbers here. I mean, these are not really numbers, it's just phone numbers, which isn't a text data type, so it's not like an integer, so can't do that. I can't do like maximum or average or whatever. So I can't do that, but I can, is there anything else that I want to do? Like select, let's see. Oh, well, I could have done aggregating functions if it was like one or, no, that wouldn't, actually, yeah. No, that wouldn't make sense. No, it wouldn't make sense. I think that's it. I think that's it. That's all I want to do. So I could just select everything from report and just kind of get rid of that. And that's back to my database. And yeah, that's pretty much a use case of this SQL table because I always like to do something with a purpose. So even if it's an imaginary purpose, like being a main office lady and calling students who need to pick up the report card. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So let me just kind of call this day 352. And did this student pick up their report card? Save that, and just copy that. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today. Bye.